Gese was thankful for Thanksgiving decorations. Snowy was thankful for his birthday in November. Tell me the past of the verb to be our. He was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. Tell me the positive and the negative of the past of the verb to be. I was, and you were, you were. He wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we were, we want, you were, they were, they were. Tell me questions and answers in the past of the verb to be. Were you? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Was he? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Was she? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Was it? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Were we? Yes, he were. No, we weren't. Were they? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Now back to these questions and positive answers. Were you thankful for your books? Yes, I was. Was your uncle thankful for his clothes? Yes, he was. Was your mom thankful for? And she was. Was the cat thankful for the milk? Yes, he was. Were we thankful for our school? Yes, we were. Were the kids thankful for the English song? Yes, they were. Were you fantastic in your last English class? Yes, I was. We're out the end. So